Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how convert a for loop to a list comprehension. A for loop is a construct in programming that allows you to iterate over a collection of items and perform a set of actions on each item. A list comprehension is a concise way of creating a new list by applying an expression to each item in an existing list or other iterable. Here is an example of converting a for loop to a list comprehension in Python. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In this example, the for loop iterates over the list of numbers, computes the square of each number, and appends it to a new list called squares. The equivalent list comprehension achieves the same result using a more concise syntax. The expression number ***2 is applied to each element of numbers, and the resulting values are automatically collected into a new list called squares. List comprehensions can often lead to more readable and efficient code than equivalent for loops, especially for simple operations on lists or other iterables. However, they may not always be appropriate or easy to read for more complex operations or when side effects are involved. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you are facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.